Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to build a currency converter in Python using Tkinter library for the GUI and the request library to fetch real-time exchange rates. So this is a beginner-friendly project. Whether you are just starting with Python or looking for a fun mini project, this is perfect for you. So let's get started. First, we need to import our necessary libraries. Tkinter for the graphical user interface, Tkinter as TK. Now from Tkinter import TTK message box. Now the third one is the import requests. So request to fetch real-time exchange rates from an API. Now the last one is the import JSON. So JSON to handle API requests. Now next, to convert currency, we need real-time exchange rates. So for this, we will use the exchange rate API. So you can visit this website, exchangerate-api.com. You can log in and find the API. Now let's define a function to fetch exchange rates from the API. Now API underscore key, so equal to this. The API key is okay. Now the next one is the URL. Now this is a formatted string, so here we use a HTTPS. Here we put only API key, not the link. Okay, now here we put the link, and after v6, here we use curly braces and API key underscore key. Okay, now after this, we define a function for exchange rates, to get exchange rates. So get exchange rates. Now this. Now here we use a try. Now here we use try and exception. So response equal to request dot get URL. Now data equal to response dot JSON. Okay, now after this, return data conversion underscore rates. Now accept exception e. Now message box dot show error. Now the formatted string, here we use failed to fetch exchange rates. Use e, show the error. Now after this, return none. Okay, now let's create the main application window using Tkinter. So for this, we use root equal to tk. Now after this, root dot title, so it's a currency converter. Okay, now after this, root dot geometry, here we use the height and width, so 400 into 300. Okay, now root dot resizable, false and false. Okay, now we will add a drop down menu for selecting currencies, an entry box for the amount, a button to convert, and a label to display the result. So first, fetch exchange rates. Now exchange rates equal to get underscore exchange rates. If exchange rates is none, So root dot destroy currencies equal to list exchange rates dot keys. Okay, now label for amount. Now here we declare a variable for amount label. So amount label equal to tk dot label. Now after this root text equal to amount. Now after this font, which is Arial, font size 12. Okay, now after this amount underscore label dot pack, padding on y-axis equal to 5. Okay, now after this amount underscore entry equal to tk dot entry, it will take the input from the user. Root. Now font size style is Arial, and style font size equal to 12. Now after this amount underscore entry dot pack, pad y equal to 5. Okay, now after this use the drop down for from currency. So for this we use from underscore currency label equal to tk dot label. Now root text equal to from currency. Okay, now after this font Arial and size 12. Now from currency label dot pack, pad y equal to 5. Now after this from underscore currency equal to ttk dot combo box, root values equal to currencies, state equal to read only. Now from currency dot pack, pad y equal to 5. Now from underscore currency dot set, by default it will show the USD default value. Okay, now after this drop down for to currency. Now to currency underscore label equal to tk dot label, root text to currency. Now font equal to Arial, size 12. Now after this to underscore currency label dot pack, pad y equal to 5. Now I am copying these three lines and paste it here. To currency, to currency, and to currency. And here we show the default value is a euro, EUR, and root currencies state read only to currency, and here it will show an error. tk dot label, root text to currency, font to currency LABE. Okay, now after this we define the function to convert the currency based on the exchange rates. Now again define convert underscore currency. Okay, now after this again we use a try an exception. So amount equal to float amount entry dot get. Okay, now from currency equal to from underscore currency dot get to currency equal to dot get currency dot get. Now if from currency not in exchange rates or to currency not in exchange rates, then show a message box dot show error. Okay, now invalid currency selection and return. Okay, now after this convert currency. So converted amount equal to amount into exchange rates to underscore currency and divided by exchange rates from currency. Okay, now after this result underscore label dot config text equal to formatted string converted amount mm, converted underscore amount to f, and after this here to current. Remove this one. Okay, now after this except exception as e. So message box dot show error, please enter a valid amount. Okay, now let's add a button to trigger the conversion and a label to display the result. So convert underscore button equal to tk dot button. So root text equal to convert command equal to convert currency and font Arial comma 12 size, font size 12, and after this background color is blue, foreground equal to white. Now convert underscore button dot pack pad y equal to 10, result underscore label equal to tk dot label, root text. Okay, text would be empty, font Arial and size 14 and bold. After this foreground color equal to green, and after this result underscore label dot pack padding on y-axis equal to 10, and finally we run the Tkinter event loop to keep the windows open. So root dot main loop, save. There is an error, font equal to, we also get an error here, from currency.pack from currency.set combo box. Okay, on line 48 to currency label equal to tk dot label root to forget a comma. Okay, so here we miss the comma. Save and run the code. Okay, so bold is not defined. Bold is not defined. Okay, so this now save and run the code. Okay, so the application is run successfully. By default, there is a show US currency. Why the text box is not showing? Entry, root Arial, amount Arial, root font equal to Arial and 12. So amount okay. So here we use the label instead of entry. Now save and again run. Okay, so I am using the $10 USD to euro. So 9.63. So you can use another currency as well. I'm using PKR. So $1 to PKR is equal to 278. 12. And there you have it. You have just built a fully functional currency converter in Python with a GUI using Tkinter and real-time exchange rates from an API. This is a great beginner-friendly project to practice API calls and GUI development. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more amazing Python projects, and comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And comment below if you want the full source code on GitHub.